is a really nice cluster if you wanted to. It's nice and tight, nice and long.
Easy. Was your weight over a ton?
No, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh, what about the two you just brought down?
I don't know, I just dropped it, he didn't weigh it yet. So we're going to dump some of this in the line. I told him we'd get about a heifer.
Lord. Starting to fill already. We're on 58 finishing up. We've got about a 50-foot section down there that they totally missed.
On 58?
Yeah, 58. Too much tilted earth on this location.
Yeah.
It's like getting those forks squared up is easier said than done sometimes.
We don't want that.